Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create mirror effects in PicsArt for cool photos. So, the mirror effects in PicsArt is a photo editing tool that can create a mirrored image of a photo. You can use the mirror effect to create illusions or add artistic effects to your photos. So what you need to do is just open PicsArt. And then just select the image that you want to edit. First, click on a plus icon and find your image that you want to edit. Okay, for example, in here, let's try to use, okay, I'm going to just use this one. Okay, this photos, let's try it. Sorry, let's add. So after the photo is open, you can just go straight to effects and find the mirror options in here. So click on the artistic category, swap until you find the mirror options. This one, click on it. So this is the mirror. You can adjust the setting by clicking on the effects again. You can go horizontal or vertical. I'm going to go with vertical, and you can choose the mode between mode 1 and also mode 2. You can adjust the settings to how you like it. Let's try another photo. I think this is not right photo. Let's choose another one. Let's just use a photo with the object. Let's just use this one for example. Again, go to effects, artistic, and find the mirror effect. This one, adjust it to how you like it, and this is the result. You can choose the option multiple, darken, lighten, screen, overlay. So just choose which one. I'm going to just go with this soft light. This is the final result. If you're satisfied with the result, you can just tap on this arrow down to save the photo to your gallery. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.